Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off double tick in WhatsApp on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to turn off your double tick on WhatsApp, so let's see how can you easily do that. Now to do that, you just have to simply disable the background optimization or data usage of your WhatsApp app. So you must have to open up your settings. From settings, go for general, and here you have to look for background app refresh. Simply select that option, and from here you have to look for WhatsApp, and you have to disable this toggle for WhatsApp. Or you have a second way, you just have to go for main settings, then scroll down and go for apps, and from here you just have to look for WhatsApp. Simply select that app, and from here you will get the background app refresh. You must have to disable that settings, and you will get the notification. You have to simply tap on it, and you have to disable the send notifications. Once you have disabled, now whenever any person will send you a message, he will not get double tick until you open your WhatsApp app, because background app refresh is disabled. So unfortunately there is no any official way in your WhatsApp settings to turn off or disable double tick. So by using this method, you can easily turn off or disable your double tick in WhatsApp on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.